Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 16-foot by 42-inch inflatable pool with ladder and filter pump. Have a blast cooling off in the Summer Wave's 16-foot by 42-inch set pool. This above-ground pool comes with a filter pump, which is easy to use and will keep your water clean and fresh throughout the season. With the quick set technology, simply inflate the top ring, and the pool will rise as it fills with water. This swimming pool has a stylish dark gray herringbone exterior print to add extra flair to your beautiful backyard, with a puncture-resistant design so you'll be able to swim and play season after season. Product benefits. Ready for water in 15 minutes. Constructed of 3-layer, puncture-resistant tough mesh material for lasting durability. Includes with Type C filter cartridge, SureStep ladder, RX 1000 filter pump, and repair patch. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.